Hey, this is Neerav from Indoor Intelligence. In this video, I am going to show you results of object recognition in multiple point clouds using our new software Rep3D. Here is an example of point cloud of a kitchen. We have asked the software to look for these small pendant lights, these ones. There are 8 of them in the point cloud, and the software is able to find all 8 of them without any error. You can click on any instance and the software will focus on that recognized instance with a yellow bounding box. As you can see, the software has recognized 8 instances. Here is another example. We are trying to find AC registers in the ceiling of a building. So here you can see the ceiling, and in this case there are 18 AC registers in this point cloud. Our software is able to find 12 of them. So first one, second one, third one, and so on. There are 6 of them which software was not able to find. In most of these cases, it's either because they are not completely sampled well, or they look slightly differently to the computer than the actual object we are recognizing. In such instances, what we would recommend is once the first pass of the detection is complete, you can identify one of the undetected ones and pass it to the software for further recognition, and it should find the remaining ones. This is the same ceiling again. Here we are trying to detect sprinklers instead of AC registers in the same ceiling. Now sprinklers is a little more interesting case because especially in this point cloud and probably in all the point clouds, we don't have a lot of points sampled by the laser scanner. As you can see here, there are only a few points which are sampled by the scanner. Obviously, if you increase the resolution, then you will get more points on the sprinkler. But what I want to demonstrate here is even with so few points, we are actually able to detect quite a few sprinklers in the ceiling. Now, detecting these sprinklers manually would take a lot of time, but just by running this algorithm in a few minutes, we got 68 detections, out of which 48 were correct and 20 were wrong. In this instance, there are more instances where there is false detection just because the number of points sampled on the sprinkler is very low. So there is a chance of making more error, but still you do get 48 correct instances of the sprinkler here, as you can see. Again, very less points on the sprinkler. If you change your laser setting so that you get more points in the sprinkler, the detection accuracy should increase considerably. Here is point cloud of an industrial plant with lots of pipes and valves. This is again an interesting case because of one reason which actually we did not anticipate. We are looking for the shut-off valves. So as you can see here, this is an example of a shut-off valve, and it's pretty well sampled. We should get most of the valves in this case, but what we are finding is we actually get 159 detected objects, although the real number of detections is only like 20. The reason being, in this case, the curvature of this valve matches quite a lot with the curvature of these pipes, and as a result, in a lot of these cases, some pipes are being recognized as valves. The good news is we actually order the instances based on how well they match with the object of interest, and as a result, as you go down the list, you will see less and less matches. In general, if you see 10 instances where there is no correct match, you can actually safely ignore the remaining ones. Then it's very unlikely you will see a correct match after the remaining ones. that will reduce your time to find the matches considerably. So as you can see here, this is instance 1, instance 2, instance 12. Out of these, most instance 28. So till instance 28, within instance 28 we actually get all the matches. After 28, the remaining detected objects are all the false ones. So once you go down the list, once you reach instance 38, you get 10 detected instances which are wrong consecutively, and then you don't have to go down the list anymore. You can just stop there. Thank you for watching the demo of the product Rep3D. If you have any questions regarding the demo or the product, email me at neerav.mehta@indoreintel3d.com. Thank you.